Hey, this is Dale Simpson with Southern Exposure Home Inspection and Construction, and we're under a bathroom in the crawl space, and we're inspecting the plumbing and the framing components. And a couple of things I want to share with you on this one is it looks like it's fairly been remodeled in this bathroom, and they've done some repair. But before we get there, this old cast iron pipe has probably been here since the house was built. You can see where it's leaking. It's constantly leaking, running down this brick wall. As you can see, the whole wall saturated. And then as I was looking at this cast iron pipe, I noticed it was broken right here, completely broken. And this pipe is connected to this pullet, which is right over here. So you can imagine when they use the bathroom, some of that's probably leaking out through that crack. Also, when they did the plumbing, they cut the floor joists. And it's not recommended to cut the center third of the floor joist. They cut this one, and that one. So there's 3 joists they cut to put the drain pipe for. It looks like the bathtub. Plus, when they did all this construction, they should have removed all this debris, especially the wood, because if the wood gets wet, saturated, wood destroying insects love this. So just thought you would be interested in seeing that. Till the next one, see you.